way to the shop. Might have a little rain, but whatever. Okay, so the plan today, I was trying to get this splitter kind of lined up and on. I'm going to riv nut this lip on here. I'm going to put riv nuts in it so I can just bolt it onto the lip and everything and just take it off very simple. I'm actually going to do an extension, take all this off under here. I'm going to do an extension of an aluminum plate so the lip actually covers the whole bottom subframe. So it's like a full splitter. So I got to figure all that out. But first things first, I'm going to get it lined up on the car and then mark out where I'm going to put the riv nuts. So I just put the last bolt right here on the corner, make it flush with the body. Last bolt of the lip. If you don't know, this is a Mark III Jetta lip. It does fit with a minor cut in the center, but fits pretty well. All right, so we got a plan for the paint on the F. So we're going to tape off from here down and redo that whole section all the way down, all the way across, and then we're going to have little blending lines so it doesn't look too bad. That'll be getting done within the next few days, so you'll see this side done. I've put the lip up properly so it's nice and tight on there, so it's ready for the splitter now. I just have to mark a few lines. This side we're not going to worry about until after driven. What I'm thinking of doing is putting riv nuts along this ridge here, and in the center when it goes thin I'm going to put a bracket down here to come forward and to hold the splitter instead of the lip because they can get weak. So I'm going to put a mount here, mount on the other side, and that's going to be like a C-channel kind of aluminum mount, and that's going to come straight down right to here and then bolt in. I'm going to do riv nuts like I said. I'm just going to riv nut right into the bottom of it. I'm going to go off the corner. I marked off with tape where the lip is going to sit, so we can just throw it back on and get it perfect. Okay, so that's the end of day one on my, well, I got 10 days left, so that's the end of day one of 10 days. Paint, we got a plan for paint, so that's going to be probably in a couple days. We're going to have that painted, and I'm going to leave the car here overnight, and it should be good on that one side, so stay tuned for that. These are just going to be short videos until the day of driven. I appreciate you guys watching, and please subscribe, like this video as well, and yeah, stick around.